How can I test my Xbox 360 internet connection?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to guide you through the process of testing your Xbox 360's internet connection. This is an important step if you're experiencing any issues with online gaming or streaming on your Xbox 360. By testing the internet connection, you can determine if the problem is with your Xbox or your home network.
What do you need?
Before we start, make sure you have your Xbox 360 turned on and connected to your TV. Also, your Xbox should be connected to the internet either through a wired connection, Ethernet, or a wireless connection, Wi-Fi.
Accessing the settings.
1. Turn on your Xbox 360 console and sign in to your Xbox Live account. 2. Navigate to the System section of the dashboard. This is represented by the console icon. 3. Once there, select the Network Settings option.
Selecting your network.
1. In the Network Settings menu, you will see all the available networks. 2. Choose the network you're currently connected to or want to test. It could be wired network if you're using a wired connection, or a specific Wi-Fi network name if you're using a wireless connection.
Testing your Xbox Live connection.
1. After selecting the network, you will see the Test Xbox Live Connection option. Select it to begin the test. 2. Your Xbox 360 will then test the connection to the Internet and Xbox Live. 3. If there is any issue, you will be given an error message or status report explaining the problem. That's it. You have successfully tested your Xbox 360's internet connection. Understanding the health of your network is crucial to a smooth gaming experience. We hope this guide has been useful to you. Keep gaming and enjoy your Xbox 360 to its fullest.